सोमनाथ जी, वेलकम टू आवर प्लेटफॉर्म।
Thank you.
सबसे पहले ये बताइए कि आप you're contesting your first Lok Sabha election this time,
That's correct.
right?
That's correct.
You are recognized as a very heavyweight, in these parts of Delhi, in and around Khidki extension. When you come here, are you reminded of your past association, the first time you became what you have become?
See, I will always remain that person
Hmm.
who gave his life, who gave his everything at stake
Hmm.
for taking out drug mafia problem from this area. And this Malvinagar Assembly constituency is part of New Delhi Lok Sabha.
Right.
So it is one of those 10 assemblies of which New Delhi Lok Sabha constituency is made up of.
No, I was trying to understand whether that incident when you got accused of misbehaving, ill-treating some Africans.
Still the case is going on.
Still the case is going on, huh? So was it like an albatross around your neck, or do you think कि आपका जीवन कितनी बार होता है ना कुछ घटनाएं आपका जीवन बना देती हैं?
Of course, see, Bhupender ji, the problem is that unless you take risk,
Hmm.
you won't sort of reach anywhere. So in politics, to fix people concerns,
Hmm.
you have to take risk.
You have to take risks. You're a risk taker.
Yes.
Somnath Bharti is a risk taker.
I remember, and I had not come alone. I had come with the police. I had come with the media.
Hmm.
Nobody would go to traumatize anybody with the media and with the police.
But tell me now,
The
Somnath,
case was all built up, cooked up. And today, I must admit, I must share with your audience that till date, not a single complainant has appeared in the court.
and yet the case continues.
This case continues.
But tell me, सोमनाथ जी, एक धारणा बन गई है अब आम आदमी पार्टी के बारे में दिल्ली में कि you guys are constant chaos creators. ऐसा क्यों है? Why is आम आदमी party always full of high drama somewhere or the other?
No, I'll tell you. See, like in this area, BJP had its MP for last 10 years, 10 years. Not a single instance will come across where she has done anything for the area. Not even, I mean, people would say that we don't know who is BJP MP.
Well, that's why the BJP changed the ticket
So
of the MP this time.
does that change the scenario? People don't want to take risk now because even the new candidate is saying that Modi 400 par. That's the route.
उनके पास बड़ा brand है उनके पास.
That is the route she's following. So that brand itself had given us two tenure MP who did nothing for the area. See, I mean, MP gets 5 crores per year. That in 10 years he got 50 crores. Not a single thing I have seen across all 10 constituencies built by her.
But don't you think that this election, particularly your election in this New Delhi constituency, it puts you in a weaker spot because she's Sushma Swaraj's daughter. She has legacy. She has a mega brand like Modi, on which she can ride her campaign. सोमनाथ भारती के पास क्या है?
सोमनाथ भारती वो जनता है, जनता ने बनाया उसको. देखिए, मेरी माता शिक्षिका थी, मेरे पिता सन्यासी थे, मैं उनका बेटा हूँ. जनता ने मुझे घिस-घिस के बनाया है. इतनी ज्यादा मोहब्बत और प्रेम मुझे क्षेत्र से मिला है. First time I got the margin of 8,000. Second time they gave me the margin of 16,000. Third time they given the margin of 19,200. Fourth time, all 3 municipal seats were taken away from BJP, and then they were with BJP for the last 50 odd years, and given to whom? Aam Aadmi Party, Somnath Bharti's candidates. So people of my constituency, or Delhi in fact, they correlate work with vote. No, so and I'll come to that. And see, had charisma of Modi ji been intact, he would not have changed the candidate. Change of the candidate was the first admission that charisma is going. Okay, is not there. Second thing, there are 5 areas. See, Delhi MLAs are weaker than UP MLAs. There are 5 areas which are exclusively under the jurisdiction of MP. Police, law and order, DDA, land, traffic police. So when you're in congestion, you should accuse the MP that why I'm in congestion. But you don't link your this to.
You don't know. People sometimes don't realize.
When a crime has taken, like here I was talking about in this meeting. Just next to this is Satpula Park. A 15-year-old boy was stabbed multiple times and killed around 5 o'clock evening. nearby Janendra Park called Vijay Mandal Park. A young girl was killed by a young boy with iron rod. I asked questions through my legislative assembly that why where is the investigation, what has come out, and what are the steps being taken by government, central government, to ensure that this incident do not repeat. I was told by Honorable LG, Somnath ji, दिल्ली पुलिस और लॉ एंड ऑर्डर दिल्ली सरकार के अंतर्गत नहीं है, इसलिए आपको जवाब नहीं देंगे. अब मुझे बताइए, I mean, will such answer, I mean, satisfy people? So that's why I met LG and I told her, sir, since you refused me answers, अब जनता अपनी जिद में सोमनाथ भारती को वहां भेजेगी जहां के आंसर देना पड़ेगा.
लेकिन मैं यही तो आपसे पूछ रहा हूँ, आप कहते हैं जनता आपके साथ है, लेकिन मैं तो ये जानना चाहता हूँ कि आपकी पार्टी में ही जिस प्रकार के कांड होते रहते हैं ना कभी, अब ये जो स्वाति मालीवाल का जो ये मुद्दा है, is it not putting you all on the back foot?
No, I'll tell you.
This issue has been
I'll tell you.
mishandled.
See what has happened. BJP is trying to deflect from the issues like Manipur, issues like Karnataka.
But वो तो आपकी पार्टी की थी सोमनाथ भाई.
मैं बता रहा हूँ आपको, issues like women wrestlers were all. Can you imagine, women wrestlers were not helped by BJP to get an FIR lodged? They had to go to the court. So women wrestlers were not daughters. They should have assisted women wrestlers. In fact, my wife did a press conference and said this. कि हम जैसी महिलाओं के साथ ना लग करके आप लगिए जहाँ जरूरत है, जहाँ जिनको हेल्प की जरूरत है, तो आगे नहीं लगे. मैं आपको जरा क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहता हूँ. Why did BJP not help women wrestlers in getting FIR lodged against Brijbhushan Saran Singh?
I think that's a valid political argument to me.
And sir, finally, look at the woman dignity they take care of. They finally gave the ticket to Brijbhushan Saran Singh's son. And Mr. Modi campaigned for that Prajwala Ramana.
But are you not worried, Somnath ji, that every day the kind of allegations which are leveled either against Mr. Kejriwal or against someone in the Aam Aadmi Party, one day it's liquor scam, one day it's some ED thing, one day it's NIA case, now there is Swati Maliwal. ऐसा लगता है ना कि आम आदमी पार्टी सारे आरोप आम आदमी पार्टी पे.
ऐसा लगता है कि भाजपा फ्रस्ट्रेशन में इतनी बौखला गई है, मुझे कुछ नहीं दिखता है.
सिर्फ
बोला भाई आम आदमी पार्टी को एन केन प्राकरण उलझा के रखो. ठीक है, आप देखिए अभी मैं आ रहा हूँ एक जगह से, सवाल एक विश्वसराय मार्केट के लोगों ने मुझे बुलाया था. वहाँ 50 पुलिस वाले पहुंच गए. मीटिंग नहीं होगी तो क्यों नहीं होगी? कहते परमिशन नहीं है. बोला भैया जब मार्केट के लोग बुलाए तब जरूरत नहीं परमिशन की, दिखाया उनको कानून. कहते नहीं सोमनाथ जी पर ऊपर से दबाव है. बोले भैया इतना दबाव में मत रहो, क्योंकि आज के तारीख में भूपेंद्र जी पूरे देश के हर संस्था के ऊपर इन्होंने कब्जा जमा लिया है. नो इंस्टीट्यूशन इज लेफ्ट अनटच्ड.
आप अगर मान लीजिए आपको वाकई मौका मिला, इफ यू डू गो टू पार्लियामेंट, what is the message that you're going to give to the people of your constituency?
See, first and foremost, अच्छा वो जो बात कर रहे थे कि किसी का लेगेसी है, मुझे बताइए मोदी जी के पास क्या लेगेसी थी? किसकी लेगेसी थी?
भाई वो बीजेपी के एक हिस्सा है.
किसकी लेगेसी थी?
मतलब बीजेपी की संघ की
लेगेसी किसकी थी? कि उनके माता पिता क्या कोई नेता थे? उनको अपने आप को कंपेयर करते राहुल जी से, उनके लेगेसी थी. तो आप लेगेसी वाला जो बात कर रहे हैं अपने आप में डिफीट हो रहा है.
और ये जो आपने जो ये जो पहन रखे हैं भाई,
ये तो भैया ऐसा है कि हम तो वो इंडिया गठबंधन की हिस्सा है ना.
नहीं वो तो ठीक है,
तो ये इसलिए,
लेकिन ये पहनने तक ही ये गठबंधन सीमित है कि अंदर भी मिले हुए हैं? अंदर तक है.
अरे एक कार्यकर्ता कांग्रेस का आम आदमी पार्टी के सीटों पर
लगा है,
और एक कार्यकर्ता आम आदमी पार्टी का कांग्रेस के सीटों पर. क्योंकि राहुल जी ने कह दिया कि भाई हम वोट देंगे आम आदमी पार्टी को, केजरीवाल जी वोट देंगे कांग्रेस को, अरविंद जी ने कह दिया कि मैं वोट दूंगा कांग्रेस को, राहुल जी वोट देंगे आम आदमी पार्टी को. अच्छा दूसरी बात आप बता रहे हैं क्या है मेरे पास, जो मॉडल मैंने अपनी विधानसभा में चलाया, अवेलेबल, अकाउंटेबल, आंसरेबल, 24/7. सबसे पहली चीज होती है चुने जाने के बाद नेता मिलता नहीं है. तो सोमनाथ भारती ने उसको एक तरह से बदलाव कर दिया. मतलब मैंने विधायक को इतना आम बना दिया, अब मुझे सांसद को आम बनाना है.
ओके, ठीक है, ऑल द बेस्ट.
दूसरी चीज मैं थोड़ा वक्त ले लूँ आपसे 2 मिनट का. दूसरी चीज क्या है कि ये जो 5 सब्जेक्ट मैटर्स है जो मैंने बताया आपको, सफाई करानी हो जनता फोन करती है पार्षद को, पानी की मुसीबत हो जनता फोन करती है विधायक को, क्राइम हो गया जनता फोन नहीं करती सांसद को, जनता फोन करती है पुलिस को। अब मैंने वो प्रपोज किया अपनी जनता को कि अगर इन पांचों पे कहीं मुसीबत हो तो आप फोन करिएगा सोमनाथ भारती को, सांसद को।
वहीं पे आम जो बनाने की आप
हाँ,
बात कर रहे
आम बनाऊं।
हैं, खास को आम बनाना।
और मैंने भूपेंद्र जी कहा है कि आई विल मेक न्यू दिल्ली पार्लियामेंट्री कंस्टिट्यूंसी क्राइम फ्री जोन।
Okay.
I will make New Delhi Parliamentary Constituency congestion free zone, traffic congestion free zone.